Go Carpet Cleaning in Milton, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning is one of the most well-known carpet cleaning businesses in Milton and the region. We specialize in commercial and residential carpet, area rug, and upholstery services, using natural solutions to get rid of any stain, even the tough ones. We want our clients to be completely delighted with the carpet cleaning services that we provide, and we guarantee total satisfaction for each and every job. We offer unparalleled commitment and quality work that is finished on time at every appointment. In addition, we provide excellent customer service to make sure all of our clients' needs are met. What our customers say.
Very professional. Great services. I had tough stains and he got them all out for me. I am very pleased with his work. We'll definitely be using him again.
Fast, professional, and great customer service.
In case you didn't know, we offer more than just carpet cleaning services. We're not going to lie to you, there's no other way around the fact that your air ducts need to be cleaned on a regular basis. We can make this process as simple as possible for you. Our HVAC specialists are extensively trained and qualified in all areas. Now, let's explore what Milton has to offer. Milton is located in Fulton County, Georgia, United States. It is only 30 miles away from Atlanta, and was incorporated in 2006. There are many shopping centers that host banks, grocery stores, clothing stores, and more. The North Point Mall is only a few minutes away from the city center. The collection at Forsyth, located in the city, hosts many eateries and convenience stores. Halcyon is the epitome of a great shopping experience, and it also hosts a movie theater, hotels, and a green space. There is also the Woodmont Village and Gwinnett Place Mall. If you live in, or near Milton, contact us for a free consultation, and special pricing from Go Carpet Cleaning. Visit our website www.gocarpet-cleaning-services/Milton-GA, or call us at 678-818-5698.